Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'll be helping you with directions and public transportation in the city. Knowing how to ask for directions and understand transportation information can make exploring a city much easier and more enjoyable. Let's get started with some simple directions, and then we'll go over different ways you can travel around the city. Let's start with some basic words. When giving directions, you might hear left, right, and straight. So, if someone says go straight, it means to keep going in the same direction. Turn left means to change direction to the left, and turn right means to go to the right. Easy, right? Imagine you're looking for the city museum. You could ask, "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the museum?" Here's a possible answer. Sure, go straight down this road for 2 blocks, then turn left. The museum will be on your right. Notice how we used go straight, turn left, and on your right to guide the person. Here are some more phrases you might hear. It's around the corner, which means very close. It's across from, which means it's on the opposite side of the street, and it's near or close to, which means it's nearby. Now let's talk about transportation. Cities usually have buses, subways, and sometimes trams. To ask about the right bus or train, you could say, "Which bus goes to the train station?" Or, "Where is the nearest subway station?" People might tell you to look for certain bus numbers or subway lines. For buses and trains, you'll need tickets. You can ask, "Where can I buy a ticket?" Usually there are machines at stations, or you might be able to buy a ticket directly on the bus. Some cities also have apps to make buying tickets easy. Imagine you're at the bus stop and want to go to the city center. You could ask, "Does this bus go to the city center?" When you're ready to get off, pull the cord or press the button to signal the driver. And remember to say thank you when you leave. So to review, remember left, right, and straight for directions. Use excuse me when asking for help. For public transportation, check the bus or train numbers and have your ticket ready. And don't be afraid to ask if you're not sure. People are usually happy to help. That's it for today's lesson on getting around the city. Thanks for listening and happy travels. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you feel more prepared to explore a new city with confidence. Don't forget to practice these phrases, and see you next time.